Shalom, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, as always, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahasham Yahushai, Waharakah HaKodash. Double honors to the elders and apostles, chiefly those of Great Millstone, and other like-minded elders in Israel that do teach well. Shalom wa barakatama to the whole for the elect. Brothers and sisters scattered throughout the four corners doing their due diligence in truth and sincerity. And salutation to the Akim laboring week in, week out, going out into the highways of the byways, giving up their bodies a living sacrifice unto Yahweh Shem Yahushai in all truth and sincerity. Mr. Brother Daniel Allah, and yeah, man, prophecies are speaking, man. The prophecies are speaking real loud right now, and the FDA, man, they've just approved the Neuralink, man, right? So I just quickly want to bring up this bit of news. This ain't gonna be long, and it says Elon Musk Neuralink gets FDA approval for study of brain implants in humans, right? And this is not something that the prophets, the men of Yahweh Shem Yahushua ain't been telling you for decades, starting from the elders and apostles on down, man, right? So it says Elon Musk Neuralink gets FDA approval for study of brain implants in humans. It says May 25th, right, which is a Thursday. It says Elon Musk's brain implant company Neuralink on Thursday said it had received the green light from the US Food and Drug Administration. That's the FDA, right? Which they approve, whether things are basically legit to go out for, human consumption or for basically just for human use, right? They basically give people the nod and the okay, right? So it says Neuralink on Thursday said it had received the green light from the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA) to kickstart its first in human clinical study, a critical milestone after earlier struggles to gain approval. They've been trying to push this for a minute, man, right? But yesterday they were given a nod, man, by the FDA, right? It says on at least 4 occasions since 2019, Musk had predicted that this medical device company will begin human trials for a brain implant to treat severe conditions such as paralysis and blindness, right? And these are the few ways they're gonna get people with it. Because now they're saying what? Now they say that they can cure deafness, they can cure blindness, right? Paralysis. It says yet the company founded in 2016 only sought FDA approval in the early 2022, and the agency rejected the application. 7 current and former employees told Reuters, which is this the name of this site, right? Reuters, yeah, Reuters, right? It says, where am I? It says the FDA. It says, yet the company founded in 2016 only sought FDA approval in early 2022, and the agency rejected the applications. 7 current and former employees in March, right? It says the FDA had pointed out 7 concerns, and that's spiritual too. It says several concerns, man, because we understand what that number 7 is, what the number of completion, right? So it says pointed out several concerns to Neuralink that needed to be addressed before sanctioning human trials. According to the employees, major issues involved the lithium battery of the device, the possibility of the implant's wires migrating within the brain, right? And I did a lesson on this not so long ago, and basically what they're saying is that with these implants, right, that the batteries on them will need to be changed. I believe it's like every 3 to 5 years, you know, which is part of the problems they were having, right? It says and wires migrating within the brain. Meaning what, man? Meaning the actual device is going to actually become one with the body, the tissue bonding to the device, man. And this is all part of the transhumanism and their agenda to try and fulfill the promise that was given unto Jacob, man, which is the kingdom of heaven and immortality. And they're trying to do that by a way of means, by what? By transhumanism, man. They're trying to live forever via transhumanism, right? So it says, yeah, merging man with machine. Right, it says major issues have evolved in the lithium battery of the device and the possibility of the implant's wires migrating within the brain, and the challenge of safety extracting the device without damaging brain tissues. Yeah, because like I said, like I mentioned, what they have to do is change the device every so often, right? And what it says, without damaging the brain tissue, yeah, because the wires are actually what they're starting to bond to the brain tissue, man, right? It says Thursday, FDA approval comes as US lawmakers are arguing regulators to investigate whether the makeup of the panel overseeing animal testing at Neuralink contributed to botched and rushed experiments. It says Neuralink has already been the subject of federal probes. It says Reuters reported on the 5th of December that the USDA's Inspector General was investigating, at the request of a federal prosecutor, potential violations of the Animal Welfare Act, which governs how researchers treat and test certain types of animals. Because, yeah, that's exactly how they're testing out these things before they want to put them in us, man. In your chimps and, your monkeys and whatnot, right? It says in a tweet on Thursday, Neuralink said it is not yet open for a clinical trial. And hey, man, through the spirit as well, we already know they've been trialing this chip, man, this brain chip, right? The moment they set up, they've been trialing it, man, behind closed doors. And it says, this is the result of incredible work by the Neuralink team in close collaboration with the FDA. Yeah, because they're all in cahoots, man. You know, they're all in cahoots, and at the end of the day, this is the agenda of the elites and the world bankers, man. To push towards their NWO and the Charagma, man. In order to what? In order to control the masses in every way, shape, and form, right? It says, uh, in collaboration with the FDA, and it represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people. And that's how they dress it up, man. They make you think, that is something good. Or that the scripture says, man, in Revelations 14 and 9, that whoever takes this mark, man, shall have their part in the lake of fire, man. Right? It says that many people. Neuralink said in the tweet on Thursday. Over the years, Musk has publicly outlined the plans for Neuralink. He made headlines late last year when he said he was already so confident in the device's safety that he would be willing to implant them in his own children. you know, and yeah, man, it's all popping off, man. So the FDA, the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, uh, they've given the brain chip the nod, man. So call halal Yahweh Shai, man. Things are pushing on. Things are pushing on, man. This is all good news unto us, man, brothers and sisters, man. Right? This is all good news. To all of them that, that are seeking the kingdom, man, and putting their trust in Yahweh Shai. This is brilliant news for us all, man. Right? Heavenly Father's doing the works, man, speeding things up for the elect's sake, man. Right? So I'm just going to get this. Revelation 13 and 16. It says, and he calls it all. I love to make the point of it says he there, right? Meaning it's actual man. It says he calls it all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead. Their forehead, yep. And the FDA yesterday, which will be yesterday now, 25th of May 2023, have approved the brain implant, man. Elon Musk Neuralink brain implant. They've approved it, right? For clinical testing. It says, in their right hand or in their foreheads, that no man might buy or sell save he that have the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. Yeah, man. And this is the MOTB, man. For all you that are still wondering what the mark of the beast is in Revelation chapter 13, this is it, man. This is it. We're seeing the prophecy play itself out, man. So again, call Allah Yahweh Shai. With that, I'm going to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh. Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Waharakah Kodash, say Shalom to the hopeful elect. Shalom.